video, we will unbox my pre-orders that just arrived today. I believe this is from Bully Boy Collectibles. It contains 5 Star Wars Funko Pop from the new Star Wars series Ahsoka and one new 2-pack also from Star Wars. Okay, and I'm excited to share this with you guys. So open this. By the way, I received this package looking like this. So contains 5 Funko Pops and one 2-pack. The box looks good, except for this tiny bit of tear here. I think let's open this first and see the condition of the pop. I hope nothing is damaged. Okay, one more. Okay. There's the tear there. Let's open this. Let's see what we got. Nice. You've got Balan skull. Okay, the pop looks good. By the way, I already ordered a pop protector. I always have my Funko Pop in pop protector, even if it's common. Kind of hard. Okay, let's see the condition of the box. Expect the box is in near to mint condition. Usually when you pre-ordered it from the store. So I expect nothing less from this store. Okay. Box looks good. Okay. Balan skull. It's from the new Star Wars series Ahsoka. Okay. Let's get the second pop. The second pop is the 332nd Company Trooper, number 681 in the Star Wars series. Okay. Again, very nice pop. Let me check the condition of the box. Okay. Again, I expect nothing than a mint condition box when you pre-ordered it from your favorite toy store. Again, the box is in good condition. I want to say 10 out of 10, but I don't want to say that. Yet, again, I'm happy for this too. Let's get another box. Okay, let me adjust the camera first. And just put away temporarily the pop protector. Let me get this top up. Okay, let's open it and see what we get. Okay, I think this Captain Enoch. Okay, let's check out the third pop. Let's check out its box condition. Okay, nice. First impression last. Okay, I couldn't see any scratch or ding. No crush corner there. Again, this box is in good condition. It's minty. And of course, if the box is good, the pop is also good. Okay. Very golden. Like this pop. Let me get the third box. One more. Okay. Okay. Now that we remove that, let's open this box. Okay. Okay, let me adjust the camera. Okay, let's see what we've got here. Got here the Tron's Night Trooper, which is the white one. Nice. Very scary looking dude because of those crack helmet with gold, what you call that, patches or gold plated glue or something. And this one is the Tron's Night Trooper blue. The difference between them is the that kind of mouthpiece and that helmet. So this one is kind of blue and this one is white. It's actually a stormtrooper. They all look sick. They really look badass. Again, some of the pops in the series. Okay, let me open these bad boys. Okay. Let me check its box condition. Again, no crush corner. No dings or scratches. Or sometimes push in. So far, all of the pops that I opened are in the box are in good condition. So I'm very happy about this. Thank you, Bully Boy Collectible, for giving me these pops. Okay. Okay, there's some think dirt there. I think it's factory. I think this already on a shelf somewhere in Vietnam. All these pops are made in Vietnam. Okay, just like the rest, these are also in good condition. Okay, and I'm so happy about that. Okay, let's get the last box. Okay, it's getting crowded here. Let me put aside some of these boxes and pop protector. Let's open the last box. The last box contains nice the 2-pack. Oops, there goes my cutter. Nice, this is the one I'm waiting for. Okay, let me open it up. Let me see its box. Nice one. Ponkrell versus Captain Rex. This is my first ever Captain Rex Funko Pop. Very nice. Once again, the box is in good condition. No crushed corner, dings, or scratches. Okay. This is really what I want when you pre-order. You always get to choose the best box. Okay. Okay, guys. This is it. Let me arrange this, guys. Okay, guys. I did order Grand Admiral Tron, but it didn't come with this batch. So maybe I'll get it later in the mail. Okay, anyway. This is the end of this video, guys. In case you're new to this channel, you like this kind of video, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell to see my future videos like this. If you have some questions, comments, or suggestions or want more videos like this, please put in the comment section below and I'll try to answer them and maybe make a video out of it. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye guys!